Grounding's kind of interesting. It's a set of simple strategies to help with distracting people from, painful or difficult emotions. They help bring us back into the present moment and help us, stop the immediate negative self-talk or negative critic that so many of us, if not all of us, have to some extent in our head. So it's a type of distraction from those difficult emotions. And, there's several different categories. There's the physical, there's the mental, there's the soothing. I think for the physical piece of those, like clenching your fists or jumping up and down, it helps bring us back into our body. I think when people are in pain or very anxious, stressed, we tend to disconnect a little bit from the physical body when we're in that fight or flight with the stress hormones flowing. And that helps bring us back into our body, back into the current moment. For mental, I think about really imagery. I love people going, say, to their happy place in their mind, but thinking about looking, what do you feel? Can you taste anything? So gathering all the parts of your sensory nervous system, again, to kind of distract us from that emotion and bring us back to the present moment. And if you're doing something like, imagining yourself in your favorite place, you're going to have less production of those stress hormones. There is quite a bit of overlap, but my favorite category is soothing, because top of the list is petting our cats and dogs, or if you have other, pets at home. Studies have also shown that petting our animals at home does help to actually decrease cortisol, that main stress hormone that's produced when we're anxious or stressed. Saying kind statements to yourself as if you were talking to a good friend or a child of, everything is going to be okay. You're safe in this moment is very soothing. Listening to music, I think, is a wonderful one that's on the soothing category. And there's good studies as well with music shifting us out of sympathetic fight or flight and being very calming. Try them all. See what works for you. Use them under a stressful situation, and then also see what it feels like if you do that for 3 to 5 minutes a day or a couple times a week. We're seeing, more and more people in stress on a regular basis, but these are great tools that people, you don't need to buy anything. You can do this on your own, that I think are very powerful and, can change some people's lives really for the better.